Just stop for a moment and listen. How many times have you said, "I'll start tomorrow," and tomorrow never came? How many goals did you set only to quit halfway? How many times did you feel motivated but lost it within days? Be honest. This isn't about your dreams. It's not about your potential. The real problem is discipline. Or, more importantly, you don't have a system to build it. Most people think discipline is something you're born with, but that's not true. Discipline is built day by day, action by action. And in the next 30 days, you can completely change your life. But first, understand this. Motivation will fail you. It feels strong in the moment, but it disappears when things get hard. If you rely on motivation, you will always start strong and finish weak. So this is not about motivation. This is about building discipline. And it starts with something very simple. Week 1, you go small, very small. 1 push-up, 1 page, 1 minute of focus. That's it. It sounds too easy, but that's the point. Because your problem is not starting, it's continuing. You break promises to yourself again and again. So we fix that. You do 1 small action every day. No excuses, no skipping, even when you don't feel like it. Especially when you don't feel like it. Because every time you follow through, you prove something to yourself. I can do this. And those small wins, they start to build momentum. By the end of the first week, you won't just have a habit, you'll have proof. Proof that you can stay consistent. Now we move to week 2. This is where things get easier, because now you change your environment. If your phone is always near you, you'll get distracted. If junk food is around you, you'll eat it. You remove distractions. Discipline starts to feel natural. But let's be real. There will still be hard days. Days when you feel tired. Days when you feel lazy. Days when you want to quit. That's where week 3 comes in. You create rules. Simple rules. If this happens, then I do this. If I feel lazy, I do 5 minutes. If I feel distracted, I remove it. If I want to quit, I keep going. No thinking, no excuses, just action. Because in those moments, you don't rely on feelings. You rely on decisions you already made. And that makes you consistent, even on your worst days. Now we reach the final week. This is where everything changes. You're not the same person anymore. You've built habits, you've built structure, you've proven to yourself that you can stay consistent. You're no longer someone who tries, you're someone who does. You don't ask, "Do I feel like it?" You just do it, because that's who you are now. Disciplined, focused, consistent. And when that happens, everything changes.
Thanks for watching Triumph Stories and Speech. Please subscribe, like, and comment. God bless you all.